So here's how to change thumbnail image on Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are logged into your Wix website account, now here you have to simply go to the dashboard. Now from the left menu you have to click on the blog option and then click on the overview. After that, it will redirect you to the Wix website page. Now here you have to simply select the page from which you want to change the image. Now click on the edit option. After that, click on the settings icon here. Now you have to simply disable the display cover image option. However, if you want to change the image, you have to simply click on the update option. After that, from the library you have to select any image that you want to add, or you can upload your own media by clicking on the upload media icon from the left menu. Here I have selected this image and then click on the add to page option. Now click on the save button at the top. After that, thumbnail image will be successfully changed. So that's how to change Wix website thumbnail image.